My name, I'm still working on my name, but today we are making my PewDiePie Tuber Simulator room. So this is gonna be my room. How would my room really look like? First, let's take the wall. Okay, this is the one what I most like. Here, let's just take normal hair piece, okay? Actually, it's not gonna be pretty normal. I'm actually gonna take this one and I'll put it to blue. Kind of fits. Then I'm going to shirt. Let's take this one, put it to blue. Yeah, like that. T-bone I'm gonna do afterwards. Then let's do the screen at the background. I do have this one, but I have a better background screen. Whoops, that was a little bit of a mistake. It's actually supposed to be turned there, like that. So okay. There we go. You put that there. Put this here. So then, let's work on the floor. Only the floor what fits with this. It's gonna be, I think, the black floor. I think it fits. Then let's take a chair because I do not like that chair. Let's go on chairs. Take this one because it really fits. And there we go. Now let's put the other stuff. Let's put a bed, of course. Where's gonna be my bed? My bed is gonna be over here. Is that right? Leave. Not so here because I do play this game. So there we go. Because why not put a poster of a duck? And just put two of these. It's a double bed. Amazing. Okay, so this one. Here we go. It's going on. It's not. There we go. Now it's on. Just a sec. I have a pencil. That's gonna be a lot more easier. I have actually a computer pencil. It's gonna be a lot more easier. So first thing first, put this thing too right on the same level. Now there we go. I'm using a pencil first, so I didn't realize. Now let's take some cool windows. These are a bunch of these. Let's put one. No, that's gonna be my section. There. Oh shit. Go. It's like another expensive night. I thought I have two, but it seems I don't. And let's put my beautiful decorations over here. I think I have the killer mask. Yeah, I have the killer mask. So actually, I'm gonna put this in the middle. So I'm gonna put that there. And then what is the mask? Here's the mask. Put the mask over there. Let me just get Deco. Oh no, something for the floor. Let's see. No, not that. Let's see, what can I put on the floor? It's like a pretty cool guitar. Oh, we don't have space for a guitar. Let's put it over here. We can't put the cat. Can we put the Jason? I can put a cat in there. I don't. I'm so confused. Why do I like? Where's the photo? This photo. It's like so damn freaking cute. I can't tell you how much why that is. No, I need a table. I think I didn't get a table, but that's fine. I don't have a table. I do have Jason to ask. So let's another nice photo up here. Just, make it nice. Now I need to get a I don't have a very good table, so I want to get this table. It's gonna go over here. And let's get sofa TV. Full TV. Actually, it wouldn't be if I put it that. Yeah. Put that back. Turn this. Whoops. Yeah, it's gonna be a lot more better if I would put it. That just right there. And now I take the TV. Should be able to. No. So it doesn't. Right now. I don't think I got that yet, but let's go to choose. No. I'm like, what's that chair? I think it's this chair. But it's okay. It's okay, we don't have it. How big is it? So it'll be. Nah. Okay, let's see. Here. Turn it that way. I have a lamp, which I always put next to my bed. Yeah, this lamp. Pretty good. Wait, let me go. I know everybody has like a. It's hard to move this object in this game. Take another table, put it in front of the TV. Go. Now I'm gonna put some into my animal corner over here. So now I think I have a fish. No, I don't have a fish. I have a cat. I'll just put all the animals, I guess, over here. He's a plushie, but screw it. Yeah. This guy is kind of creepy, but okay. Turn that direction. Okay. Oh no, those interesting. Actually, I'm not gonna put yet. Yeah, hold on. Let's see what's. Definitely guess it is. So I don't know where to put it. I don't know where to put it. Okay, let's see. Definitely trash. Maybe like a little bit of flowers in this corner. No. Actually, I think better be drums. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I was gonna put the jelly down, but and other unmeaning stuff I'll put later down. What I forgot. Jelly that. And that's pretty much it. That would be for film in 10 minutes. So if you would, guys, you know, see you in the next.